Assalamu alaikum friends. Today our essay is on Holi. Holi is a festival of colors. It is a major festival in India. Water guns are used by the children to play Holi. People use organic color these days. People in North India sung folk songs on the Holi. According to Indian peoples, Holi is a symbol of the victory of good over evil. Bhang is a special drink and gujia were prepared especially on Holi. Thank you so much.